0.1 times 1000. Okay, so to multiply this decimal number by this power of 10, this number is called power of 10 because 10 to the power 3 means 1000. To multiply this factor with this power of 10 which is greater than 1, you need to count the number of zeros, 3 zeros, so decimal point will move 3 digit from left to right. So 1 digit, then placeholder 0, 2 digit, then 3 digit. Look, 1 2 3 here, decimal point will move, so you are getting this, that is 100. So 100 is your answer. That is, you are adding point 1 1000 times, which is equal to 100.